Hi there, I am Ismail from Pelema. One confusing situation many SEO professionals encounter is when a page remains visible in search results even after it has been deleted from the website. You might remove a page, delete the content, or even return an error page, yet the URL appears in search results for some time. This happens because search engines like Google do not instantly remove pages from their index. Instead, they rely on crawling cycles, cached information, and signals from the web to determine whether a page should remain indexed. In this lesson, we'll explore the main reasons why this happens and what it means for SEO troubleshooting. When search engines crawl a page, they store information about that page in their index. This includes things like page content, title tag, metadata, and the links connected to the page. Even if the page later disappears from the website, the search engine may still retain this stored information for a period of time. As a result, the page can continue appearing in search results based on the previously stored data until the search engine crawls the page again and updates its index. Another reason deleted pages remain indexed is that search engines do not continuously check every page on the internet. Instead, they revisit pages periodically based on several factors. These include how authoritative the website is, how frequently the site changes, and how important the page appears to be. If a deleted page has not yet been revisited by the crawler, the search engine may still believe the page exists. Once the crawler checks the URL again and sees that it has been removed or changed, the index will usually update. Another factor that can keep a deleted page visible in search results is the presence of links pointing to that URL. If other websites link to the page, search engines may continue to treat it as a potentially valuable resource. Even internal links within your own site, such as old blog posts, navigation elements, or archived pages, can continue directing crawlers towards the deleted URL because these signals still exist. The search engine may continue checking the page periodically and temporarily keeping it indexed. Sometimes a page disappears and appears to be deleted to users but does not clearly signal deletion to the search engine. This can happen when the page returns a normal status but contains no meaningful content. Search engines call this situation a soft 404. Instead of returning a proper error code that clearly indicates that the page is gone, the server sends a normal response that makes the search engine think the page still exists. Because of this ambiguity, the page may remain indexed longer than expected. For SEO professionals, this means that removing a page from search results is not always immediate. Search engines must revisit the page, detect the change, and update their index before the URL disappears from search results. This process can take time depending on how frequently the page is crawled. Understanding this delay helps avoid unnecessary concern when deleted pages temporarily remain visible in search engines. To summarize, when a deleted page continues to appear in the search result, it means that the search engine has not yet updated its stored information. Cached data, delayed crawling, existing URLs, soft 404 situations can all contribute to this behavior. Once the crawler revisits the page and confirms the page is no longer existent or has changed status, the index will eventually update. Understanding this process helps SEO professionals diagnose and manage page removals more effectively. If you found this video valuable, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.